Have you ever noticed that as soon as the lights go out, your security camera turns you into a black and white ghost? Or even worse, has your camera's image ever randomly turned completely pink? Today, we're going to show you what happens inside the lens and why black and white mode is actually a lifesaver for your security. It all starts here, the light sensor. This is the eye that tells the camera it's getting dark, triggering the infrared LEDs to turn on. They illuminate the scene like a flashlight, but with light that is invisible to us. Some cameras use LDRs, while other modern models use photodiodes, which are much smaller components than standard LDRs. However, many cameras today also support image-based detection. We mean they analyze the pixels of the image sensor itself. When the brightness drops below a critical level, the camera activates infrared mode. Since infrared LEDs emit invisible light, you can't see it with the naked eye. You can see it in this video because you're looking through a smartphone camera. To the naked eye, the LEDs only show a faint red glow. Now, here's something few people know. Inside the camera lens, there is a physical filter called the IR cut. During the day, this filter sits in front of the image sensor, but at night, when the infrareds are switched on, it moves out of the way. This is because, during the day, infrared light from the sun would ruin the image's colors. So, the camera uses this filter to keep the picture looking sharp. When you hear that click at night, that's the filter moving. If this mechanism jams and the filter doesn't slide back into place during the day, the image turns pink. It's a mechanical failure, not a lens defect. So, if any of your cameras ever show a pink image, now you know exactly what's happening. But that brings up a question. Why remove the color at all? It's simple. Image sensors are much more sensitive to light intensity than to color in the dark. The less light there is, the more distortion you get. In this scene, we gradually lowered the light, and as you can see, the colors lose definition as it gets darker. In black and white mode, the camera stops trying to guess if a pixel is green or blue and focuses only on whether there is light or not. This reduces noise and makes the image much sharper for identifying a face. But technology has evolved. Today, we have full-color cameras. They feature lenses with massive apertures that let in much more light, paired with ultra-sensitive sensors. Some even use visible white light instead of infrared. And the coolest part? Smart models only turn that light on if they detect a human. Besides filming in color, the jump scare the intruder gets when the light hits them acts as a great deterrent. Now you know, if the image is pink, the filter is stuck. If it's black and white, the camera is working hard to give you better clarity. And if you want full color, you need a high-sensitivity sensor. Did you enjoy this technical breakdown? Comment below if your camera has ever left you in the pink or if you prefer full-color night vision. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn even more. God bless you.